What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about the piñata effect, and this was an analogy that was given to me by Mylett, who many of you may know. Love that guy. He does a great job. He just came out with a new book called The Power of One More, which if you haven't already, make sure you get a copy of that book. But the reality of it is that he's talking about piñatas and the effect that could have on your business. But before we hit the piñata, I need you to hit the like button, like, comment, subscribe, show some love. All right, guys, you guys know what to do. Show us a little love. Make Dre happy. Put a smile on his face. All right, thanks, guys. All right, so for those who may not know, my name is Chris Chan, the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. And today we're talking about the piñata effect. And if you think about this analogy, it's such a good representation of following through, with your dreams, with your visions, whatever you have in your life that is very important to you that you want to foresee happen. The piñata effect is such a great example of what it takes, okay? Because when the first person gets up to bat and they go to whack that piñata, it doesn't just break. No, another person comes up and another person comes up and you hit the piñata one more time and another time and over and over and over. You do the same motion over and over and over, and eventually the candy comes out. But it didn't happen on the first time, and it didn't happen on the second time. And a lot of times, depending on how good of a piñata you got, it might take multiple times, but the reality of it is that you kept hitting, you did not give up, and eventually this invisible force, okay, that's breaking down that piñata, this invisible force that one hit after another is causing the piñata to deteriorate and to finally give in and give you the candy. Okay, and it was just that last hit with probably just a little bit of force, all of the compounding effects of hitting that piñata come to fruition, and the bottom falls out, and you get the candy, baby. And that's what this is all about in business. Like, look, you gotta have a long-term vision. You gotta know exactly what you want in life. You have to know deep down what your desire is. What is that deep-rooted desire that you want more than anything in this life? What is it? Where does that exist inside of you? What dreams do you have 5, 10, 15, and 20 years from now? If you could paint a picture of that future life, if you could paint a picture of your business, of your life, of what you would like to achieve, like what would that look like? And go after that. And chase that thing and keep beating down that door and keep beating on that piñata until it finally gives you all the candy. Because that's how life works. You gotta keep going, You go through misery and trial and frustration and stress, and you just gotta keep beating on that dang door until that piñata's like, look, this guy ain't gonna give up. All right, just give him the damn candy already. And eventually, one day, that dream of opening your own adult daycare is gonna come to fruition. And I know someone that can help. If you'd like to learn more about opening up your very own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. Join us for our monthly webinars. Join us in our private Facebook group. And if you're interested in learning more about franchising, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.